we'd like to order all of these decimals from least to greatest. And what most of you know is money. So let's just start with the numbers up here that look like money. This number has two numbers after the decimal place. So this is $2.04. So let's move this one over here. Okay, then this one is $2.25. My bad. I'm going to show you how to order these decimals from least to greatest. Let's start with something we know. We feel comfortable with money. So looking at the numbers that look like money, this one here is $2.04. So let's move that one over here. This one is $2.25. And this one is $2.63. Because there are two numbers after the decimal, it looks like money. So $2.04, $2.25, and followed by $2.63. So far we have them in order from smallest to biggest. Next, what we want to do is force the numbers that don't look like money to look like money. Strategy number one is to just add a zero. So in this number here, this number, I can just add a zero, and now that's $2.30. Here, I can add a zero, and that one is now $2.70. So let's move those over. $2.30 is a little bigger than $2.25. And then $2.70 is bigger than $2.63. Next strategy, after adding a zero to make it look like money, is just cover up some numbers. So I'm going to cover up some numbers to make these other ones look like money. So I'm going to cover up the 3, and now that's $2.40. I'm going to cover up the 9, so now we have $5.42. Covering up both the 6 and 8. And then here, let's cover up the 6 and the 8. So let's do the best we can to order them now. So $2.04 is definitely going to be the smallest. Okay, then $2.25, $2.30. Okay, now this one, $2.34, then $2.40, $2.63, $2.70. Now these two are tied. We have $5.42 and $5.42. So if you've covered up a number and they end up being the same, the last strategy is just to take a peek at only one number that we've covered up. Not all of it, just one number. So in this one, taking a peek, that's the number 6. Taking a peek, that's the number 9. 6 is smaller than 9, so this number is smaller. It doesn't matter what else is underneath here. We only looked at one extra number.